Dear friends, today we have the newspaper of 19th January 2025. Start with the first news that Lit for Life begins with an ode to books and readings. Archie Kher, rape, ex-police volunteer found guilty. Lalu Yadav hands over RJD reins to son Tejasvi Yadav. Israel-Gaza ceasefire to begin today, officials. Third party help Modi to broker Manipur peace. Kejriwal cars hit by workers of BJP claim AAP Sindhya से ex-CM staying at drama. India-Bangladesh pharma clash at international border. Argument started at Sukhdpur outpost where BSF and BJP had difference recently over facing after India's farmer accused neighbors on the other side of stealing their crop. Modi distributed 65 lakh property card across 12 states, union territories. Parandarpur Airport project, Vijay to meet protesters tomorrow. Kerala Governor policy address suggests shift in Rajbhavan government political dynamics. Do it despite settled on Maharashtra. Chinchavali village as quarrying continue unabated. A survivor persuaded to break the stigma surrounding sexual violence. Character from historical fiction should not be taken out of context. Need for revisiting history of anti-caste culture assertion. Beauty of human being is in their vulnerability. Lenda. Congress BJP corner LDF government over setting up of liquor unit. Doctor transport brain dead man heart in 13 minutes. Audit finds financial mismanagement at university in Kerala. Survey add 24 new species to Munnar funnel stock. RG Kher judgment evoke mixed response in Kolkata. Cancer of terrorism is consuming body politics of Pakistan. That is the statement of our Honorable External Affairs Minister. India EU expect to make meaningful progress on FTA talk in 2025 diplomas. EPFO to let employee correct personal detail using Aadhaar number. Center farmers to meet on Feb 14, Dhaliwal said to receive medical aid. In first aid, doctor use tele-robotic system to do 2 heart surgery over a distance of 286 km. Inside Indira Bhavan, Congress retained connect with the past through an array of photographs. Saha Naidu to take part in NDRF Rising Day celebration today. VinFast reefs up for foray into India's premium e-SUV race. India's auto sector to hit global peak in 5-year category. Auto sales to soften in 2025 and 6. Tata's to focus on hatchbacks. Kotak Mahindra Bank Q3 PAT rise 10% to 4,701 crores. COVID-19 vaccines fail to alter neurosymptoms of long COVID. Development delay in children exposed to Zika in utero. Will the ceasefire in Gaza Strip hold? Can the Bhopal waste be safely disposed of? This is the question that why are the fertility level declining in India? The confluence of faith and culture. This is the talk about the 45-day gathering of Hindu ascetics, saints, Asmard, Naga, sadhus, skeleton donating, aghoris, and other pilgrimages is expected to have a footfall of 450 millions this year, nearly twice the population of Uttar Pradesh, India's most populous state. Active source seller, known for investigation report on public listed companies. The founder of Hiddensburg say he's disbanding the group. Return of the Begum. The BNSP politician who has been acquitted in a corruption case is now back in the limelight as her party is preparing for the next election in Bangladesh. Hezbollah chief warned Israel over hundreds of truce violation. Gunmen killed two judges in Tehran tied to 1988 mass execution. Nigeria is admitted as a partner country of the BRICS bloc. Police Islamists demolish Ahmadiyya's place of worship in Pakistan. Escape death by viscous, say Hasina on fleeing Dhaka. Before ceasefire take effect in Gaza, Yemen Houthi fire missile at Israel. Russia captures two more villages in eastern Ukraine. Impeach South Korea leader argues for his release in court. German may send troops to Ukraine buffer zone. Bumrah semi included in Champion Trophy squad. Satvik and Chirag go down tamely in semi-finals. Samran powers Karnataka to victory. 10 men KBFC denies spirited any UFC in stalemate. The Bull and the Brave. That's from my side. See you soon. Jai Hind.